This 4-inch round display shows local map tiles. The cool part, the map data is already saved on the SD card, so it works completely offline, no Wi-Fi needed. Now, you might be thinking, why bother when your phone already does this? Fair point, but for me, the fun part is building it, and I see it as a foundation for future projects that need local maps. Plus, it's just my hobby, so I wanted to make it happen. I'm already planning a follow-up project using this idea, so this setup could be super useful later on. So how does it work? I'm using LVGL to draw the map tiles. You can touch and scroll around the map smoothly, and as you move, the latitude and longitude update based on the center of the screen. You can also change the zoom level on the fly. Basically, you can explore any area you've got stored. Just pick the spot by latitude, longitude, and zoom. Each map tile is 256 by 256 pixels. Right now, I'm drawing 25 tiles at once, which is a 5 by 5 grid. You can load more like a 7 by 7 or 9 by 9, but it slows things down, and I've found that 5 by 5 feels just right. The hardware behind this is the ESP32 paired with a DSI display. Compared to the SPI, DSI makes the screen updates way smoother. The board itself is a beast, 32MB of PSRAM and 32MB of flash. Since the ESP32P4 doesn't come with Wi-Fi or BLE, there's also ESP32C6 on board to handle communication, though I'm not using it for this project. I think Webshare originally designed this round display for smart home or IoT dishes, but I'm using it in a totally different way. Let me briefly explain the workflow. First, I grab the map data I want using an offline map downloader. I actually used the same tool when I made my Raspberry Pi plus ePaper map viewer, so you can use it. Then, before putting these tiles onto the SD card, I convert them into RGB565 binary format. That way, LVGL can load them directly without extra decoding. So, anyway, you can find the link in the video description below. Also, I published a component called map tiles in the ESP registry, so you can use it too. Right now, I'm putting together an example project to make it easier for others to try. Once it's ready, I will share it on my GitHub repository. Personally, I think this setup could open the door to all kinds of interesting projects. For example, you could turn it into a dedicated GPS navigator that works offline, or maybe a hiking companion device where you don't need a phone signal at all. It could also be used for smart dashboards, city guides, or even games that use real map tiles. I will definitely be experimenting with these ideas, and I'll share more examples as soon as they are ready. So if this kind of project excites you, stick around because this is just the beginning. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you on the next project.